Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to convert Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets. So here I am, and you'll know if it's a Microsoft Excel file, it's going to have the Microsoft Excel logo. If it's a Google Sheets file, you'll notice this sort filter columns, it has the Google Sheets logo. So this right here I know is a Microsoft Excel file, it has that X on it, and I want to convert this to Microsoft Excel. So let's say I'm going to open it up. Okay, so it's opening up my Microsoft Excel file. Now you'll notice it's an Excel file, and you can use Microsoft Office within Google, which is really great, but I want to use Google Sheets. All right, so there's an easy way to convert this Microsoft Excel, which you can see it's .xlsx, which shows me it's an Excel file still. Click on File within this document, and then click on Save as Google Sheets. Now it's going to open and be a full Google Sheets file. So depending on what you need, the functionality, that is how you convert a Microsoft Excel file within Google Drive to Google Sheets. I hope this video helped you. If this video was helpful, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I'll catch you in the next video.